kickstarting the earnings season officially.
sustain?
Yeah, it looks like sustainable, and the move which has come back into the banking index, that's the one which is very enthusing, because we are back again above 58,000 mark for the Bank Nifty, and that too I think at a point where most of the other parameters we look at with the premium for the index, both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, the VIX, the volatility index, I think all of that are in favor for our markets. So that indicates that we could be looking at a further build up of the strength for the markets or for the indices going forward. But it's just that you have to be a little bit more picky in terms of trying to pick the stocks if you're an intraday trader, because after such kind of a big gap up in terms of banking index, you might not see any major headroom for the individual stocks. You'll have to be a little bit more selective over here. But the move in terms of the trending move for the banking index still remains on the upside. The stock which I'll recommend at the current juncture from an opening trade would be on the real estate pack DLF, the stock which is now inching very close towards the breakout of the 700 mark, which also apparently is closer to its long-term moving averages.
Okay, keep your eye out on DLF. Let's pull up the intraday chart as well. And Kunal obviously positive with regard to that one. But there you go. So currently trading sub 700, around a 4% from here to 700. What happens at 700, Kunal, in your view?
So that confirms the break of its 200-day moving average, which apparently is a very big indicator for DLF, because historically, whenever the stock has broken past about the 200 DMAs, it's actually restarted a major uptrend, and this phase of underperformance should get covered up for DLF with respect to its other real estate major peers.
Okay, all right. So that's the take on DLF.